How many of you have set fitness goals for yourselves but struggled to stay motivated to achieve them? I'm sure most of you have. It's common to start with great enthusiasm and excitement, but as time goes on, that motivation can wane, and it can be challenging to stay focused and committed to your goals. So, what can you do to stay motivated? One of the most important things is to set clear and specific goals for yourself. It's not enough to say, I want to get fit. You need to be more specific, like, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months, or I want to be able to run a 5 Kelvin by the end of the year. When you have clear and specific goals, it's easier to measure your progress, and you'll have a better idea of what you need to do to achieve them. Another important factor in staying motivated is accountability. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or hire a personal trainer. When you have someone to hold you accountable, it's harder to skip workouts or make excuses. Plus, having someone to share your successes and struggles with can make the journey much more enjoyable. Now, let me ask you another question. How many of you have experienced a setback or obstacle in your fitness journey? Maybe you got injured, or you had to take a break for personal reasons. It's important to remember that setbacks are normal and that they don't define your progress. Don't let setbacks discourage you from continuing on your fitness journey. Instead, use them as a learning experience and an opportunity to grow. One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to stay motivated is boredom. Doing the same workout day after day can become monotonous and uninspiring. That's why it's essential to mix things up and try new things. Take a dance class, go for a hike, or try a new strength training routine. When you keep things fresh and exciting, you're more likely to stick with it. Now, I know some of you may be thinking that you don't have enough time to commit to a regular workout routine. But let me ask you, how much time do you spend scrolling through social media or watching TV? Instead of wasting your time on these activities, use that time to get moving. Even a 10-minute workout is better than nothing, and it can help you establish a regular exercise habit. Finally, I want to share with you the secret tip I promised at the beginning of this video. The secret to staying motivated is to focus on the process rather than the outcome. Don't just focus on the end goal. Enjoy the journey and the small victories along the way. Celebrate every workout you complete, every pound you lose, and every inch you gain. When you focus on the process, you'll find that staying motivated becomes much easier. In conclusion, staying motivated to achieve your fitness goals is not easy, but it's worth it. Remember to set clear and specific goals. Find accountability. Don't let setbacks define you. Mix things up and focus on the process. And don't forget, there's a secret tip to staying motivated, which is to enjoy the journey and celebrate every small victory. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without